Go to math.com, click calculus. The first derivative test is what we're working on. And let's see, I think we're doing 13-1, I believe. Hold everything, I gotta check this out. I guess I did all those. Okay. Anyway, check that. Find where the functions increase. We're back to increasing and decreasing. I don't know. Uh, huh. Okay, well, let's write this stuff down. Figure out what this is. I don't know why I decided to go back to that. Oh, there's no graph, so nothing for you to look at. So I guess it's quiz time. You ought to work this out and see if you get the right answer. See if I get the right answer. Maybe that's what we need to be doing. We've got f of x is equal to 7 times x squared minus 25 quantity squared plus 8. So the first thing we're going to want to do, of course, is find those critical numbers. And that means that, well, we need to take the derivative. So take the 2, bring it out front. We get 14, rewrite everything in parentheses, subtract 1 from the exponent, and take the derivative of the outside, or take the derivative of the inside, bring it out. And of course, derivative of 8 is 0. Set this thing equal to 0, and of course, I'm going to remember this time. I'm not very consistent on this. Putting C in for x. I guess I could have brought that 2 over there and made that 28. Oh well, it doesn't matter at this point. C is equal to, so when is this thing going to be 0? Well, we know when C is 0, and also when C is 5 and negative 5, right? 5 and negative 5. So let's attempt to draw a number line. What do we got? So we got 0, we got negative 5, and positive 5, and then now for our test points, we're going to pick negative 6. We're going to pick negative 1. Negative 1's easy. And of course 1. Want to do that. And let's pick 6 for our other test point. Okay, so we want to evaluate f prime of negative 6, and all we care about is if this is a positive or a negative, okay? So let's look at this right here. So you know squared, that's always going to be a positive number. So that's 36 minus 25, so that's positive. But we have, if we plugged in, I guess I should probably look up here at this one. If we plugged in a negative here, so it's going to be a positive times a negative, so that is actually negative, okay? So that's going to be decreasing. Then we plug in f prime, let me write negative here. So we got f prime of, what do we got, negative 1. So plug negative 1 in, so that's going to end up making that a negative, and then negative, and a negative, negative, that's going to make that a positive. So it's going to be increasing to 0, so that's positive. And then we have f prime of 1. Of course, plug 1 in, that's negative, that's going to be positive, so that's actually negative. So it's another of these W-shaped looking graphs. And then we plug in 6 finally. I've run out of room here. Maybe I can sneak it down here somewhere. Right, we'd plug in 6, and that's going to be positive, positive, and that's positive. Are you positive? I'm positive. So as you can see, we're going to have a minimum here. A min is going to occur here at negative 5, and then this would be a relative max, and then a relative minimum will occur here, okay, at this 5. So if we got enough time here, let's click over here at the answer. We got decreasing, right? So its graph is looking like this to negative 5, then it's going back up again, increasing from negative 5 to 0, and then anyway, it's looking like a W. So there it is, right? So you want to come on over, practice that at gotomath.com, and I shall see you there. All right.